All right, talking about choking. So, intro to choking. So, choking occurs when your airway becomes either partially or completely blocked by a foreign object. That foreign object could be food, a small toy, bodily fluids such as vomit or blood. Some risk factors for choking could be eating while talking or laughing. That may have happened to you before when it goes down the wrong pipe. Eating too fast, medical conditions such as neurological or muscular disorders that affect a person's ability to chew and swallow, dental problems, or poorly fitting dentures that affect the person's ability to chew foods properly. Choking is a common cause of injury and death in children younger than 5 years. Very young children explore by putting things in their mouths, which increases their risk for choking. Children younger than 4 years often lack the skills needed to chew certain types of foods thoroughly. So, what types of foods and choking hazards are there for children younger than 4? Well, there are a bunch. Small foods such as nuts, seeds, and popcorn. Round, firm foods such as hot dogs, grapes, and hard candies. Sticky foods such as peanut butter, chewing gum, and gummy candies. Large foods that break easily into small pieces such as teething biscuits and cookies. Chunked foods such as raw vegetables, fruit, meat, or cheese. Small round objects such as coins, buttons, button batteries, magnets, beads, vitamins. Small or metal plastic items such as toys, jewelry, safety pins, pen or marker caps, pull tabs from soda cans, plastic bags, deflated or broken balloons, and baby powder. As you can see, there are a lot of things that could be considered choking hazards for small children. So, how do we recognize when someone is choking? Right, caring for choking. And our last word is going to be apple. There you go. Short lesson today. You guys have all tested out with this already. So,